In this video, I'll show you how to create a slider repeater in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the best way to create a slider repeater is by using a gallery. Now, to add a gallery, you want to hover in between two sections, and in between them, you will see an option to add section. Simply click on that. Now a tab will open. This will be add a section. You want to head over to the navigation panel, which is on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see showcase. Now under showcase, you will see the option for images. So simply click on that one. Now, what you want to do is simply choose a template that is a gallery. And to identify if the template is a gallery, it will have an eye at the top and right corner. If you hover on the eye, this will automatically be considered as a gallery. Now, if you scroll down, there are a lot of options to choose from, and this is very editable and this is very customizable later on. So just simply choose gallery template. Now, once you click on a gallery template, it will automatically be added within your section. Now, what you want to do is simply click on the gallery, and at the top and right hand side, you will see an option to edit the section. Now, click on Edit Section. Once you do that, you want to make sure that you are on the gallery section, which is the first tab, and on the gallery type here below, click on the drop down, and from here, you want to select Slideshow Full. Now, when you select Slideshow Full, you will see that it will overtake the whole section. What you could also do is choose a simple slideshow or a reel. However, choosing a slideshow full is much better since it will take over the whole section. Now from here, you want to head over to the controls, which is down below. If you click on the drop down for controls, you will see that you can choose from arrows, bullets, or even hidden. Now, the best way to create a slider repeater is by using bullets. Now, if we test this out, if we hover our mouse on the bullets, as you can see, when we click on each and every bullet, it will automatically change the image. Now, there are also a lot of things that you can do within the slideshow. You can add captions if that is something that you want to do. You can even add autoplay. Now, autoplay just means that it will slide every 5 seconds. You can even change the slide duration. You can set it to be about 10 seconds or at least 1 second. However, I do recommend that you slide it every 8 seconds or more. Now, down below, you can also add an animation. So if you click on the drop down, you can add it into fading. It looks exactly like that. You can add horizontal panels, which will slide. You can also do vertical panels, which will slide up. And you can also scale up and scale down. Now, I prefer adding the horizontal panels since it would look exactly like it will slide. So if you click on the bullets again, it will add that animation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.